Hey y'all, welcome back here at another Everglades Farm and Homestead. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all my new animals, so y'all stay tuned. So the first animals I got them all at the sale barn. I got me 10 guineas and 4 turkeys. I don't know if y'all see them or not, but they're down there. Then I know we got Wilbert, the farm boss. But as I'm looking, it looks like we got a new baby calf. Go see it there laying down. Go check it out. I know we have a new black one that was born a few days ago, but this may be an actual new one. That mom right there is pretty crazy. But yeah, it's the new little baby calf. I thought it was a brand new one, like this morning or last night, but yeah, it doesn't look like it. Let's go. Let me show you other animals. And two of these animals I did not get at the sale. I got it from, y'all know my buddy Jack Kell. He let me buy 2 more. He let me buy 2 more bronze turkeys. Never mind. Oh, he let me buy 2 more Brahma turkeys. Not turkeys, chickens. But I did buy me a silky, a red rooster silky, a black silky, and a white silky. So that's all my silkies. Then are my other Brahmas. And that's that one Brahma I did get a while back ago. But yeah, that's my animals. Now my little sister, she did get an animal. She wasn't supposed to, but she did. Oh, and also, our cousins brought us a new baby kitten. You know, since Black Panther, he passed away, they gave us that kitten. So yeah. Now let's go see this new animal. She got her little bunny. He's so adorable. We don't know really what we're gonna call him. I don't think she does, but he smells good. But yeah, that's the little bunny. Hey, he's scared. We got the dogs over here. Yeah, he's usually fine when we hold him, but since them dogs are over here sniffing him behind the camera, he was going bonkers. But if you're new to this channel, about a week ago, I bought me 3 peacocks. Bought me a male and 2 females. But the thing was, when I went to go buy them, the male had a long, pretty tail feathers. But they shed them every year, and right when the man grabbed him, he shot all the feathers out. So that's a bummer. See, the poor bunny's all scared. I feel bad for him. But yeah, that's about all the new animals we got. September the 9th, I'm supposed to be getting like 30-something baby chicks in the mail. So yeah. And where I got most of these animals from is the Tennessee Gleason auction. It's a sale barn pretty much. But yeah.
Thank y'all for watching my video. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and y'all go subscribe to my friend, the Kell brothers. Y'all be safe and smash the like button. I'll see y'all next time. Peace out.